Want to know the real reason why Funnel Hacking Secrets gives you 3 months free of ClickFunnels? This is a Funnel Hacking Secret review you gotta watch. Hey, welcome back to the Entrepreneur Shack. It's been a minute. I wanted to give you some insider tips and some real secrets behind the Funnel Hacking Secrets product. So, quick little backstory. I've been in the funnel world for about the last 4 to 5 years now, and I've been using ClickFunnels for probably 3 to 4 of those years. And on top of that, I didn't have any real success with them until about 2 years ago. So let me tell you the juice on this, and let's see if this is the right product for you. First things first, pretty obvious is the pricing. ClickFunnels Platinum goes for $297 a month. That's equivalent to $1,782 for the 6 months they're promising you. And the cost of the Funnel Hacking Secrets package is $997. So if you're basing it off of price alone, it might be a bit of a no-brainer. But that's a huge chunk of change for some people to just throw up front, especially if you don't know what you're doing. And I say this from experience. I personally spent close to $3,000 on funnel software before I even made a single dollar online. And now looking back, I strongly believe that's because I wasn't given the tools that were necessary to be successful with them. So one of the hidden bonuses that you will not see in the Funnel Hacking Secrets video is that you will receive the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is a 30-day challenge that basically takes you from creating your thing to marketing and building a sales funnel from scratch. And basically their goal is to make you your first $1,000 online. And I do admit that after I took that challenge, that was probably back in 2017, I made my first dollar online. But, yes, there's a but it was only a couple $100. It wasn't significant enough to help me consistently pay for the software cost. And so that's what I'm trying to help you avoid by giving you this Funnel Hacking Secrets review. So besides all the other cool shit that they tell you that you're gonna get, the number one piece of advice that helped me actually go from $100 of sales online to over $10,000 of sales online was the secret of hot traffic. Now, if you don't know what that means, don't worry about it. There's a whole traffic secrets course included in this whole thing that comes along with its own problems. First of all, it's actually quite long. There's a lot to learn, and so you're gonna be taking time away from your business to learn all of that stuff. So what I actually have done is I put together the cliff notes of the Traffic Secrets program. Because I don't know about you, but I don't have time to mess around watching like 30, 40, 50 videos. And for the most part, I basically put them all on 2x speed anyways. We got things to do, right? So you see that $10,000 or so that I made was through ClickFunnels. So obviously I am an advocate for ClickFunnels. I would definitely recommend it. But my one caveat is to have a certain understanding of the skill sets that you need to be successful with it. And so that's why this review video isn't so much about diving into every little bit and piece that you're gonna get with Funnel Hacking Secrets, because you could look that up on their webpage, but more so to tell you about what you're actually getting yourself into and the new problems that are gonna be created for you that inevitably you will need a solution for. And so because I wish that someone had given me these tools and tricks when I first started out, what I wanna do is I wanna actually give you those traffic secret cliff notes so you don't have to spend hours and hours learning about all the different traffic things. You can just kind of sum it up, and then if you wanna go deeper into it, you can simply go and visit the course. I also wanna give you my Hot Buyers 1-hour crash course to tell you exactly the one tip that took me from $100 to $10,000 and show you a technique on how to get there. The next thing that I found was very difficult is accountability, because obviously if you're not finding success or you're struggling, having someone there to push you forward and motivate you is extremely important. So I'm gonna have special one-on-one accountability that will help you move past that. And lastly, what I'm gonna do is set up a community where we can all come together, and once a week we will have a mastermind. So whether you're stuck on something or something is just unclear, it'll be a place where I'll be in there with you, helping you get unstuck and giving you the pieces that are missing to move forward. The great thing about that is that you'll have a chance to interact live and ask questions. And so the reason why I'm giving you all of these bonuses, if you use the link to get Funnel Hacking Secrets below, is because that's my affiliate link. So obviously I get a commission for you using that link, and so I want to give back to you for that. If you found this review useful, please make sure you subscribe and share this with a friend. And again, if you want to grab Funnel Hacking Secrets and grab some extra bonuses with that, please make sure you use that link down in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.